Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to unlock the power of Google Sheets by learning how to combine three incredibly useful functions: asterisk asterisk unique asterisk COUNTIF asterisk and sort asterisk asterisk to quickly figure out how often each item appears in your data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to instantly create a frequency table for anything, whether it's sales data, survey responses, or even a list of your favorite fruits. Let's jump right in and get started. First up, let's find out exactly which unique items we're dealing with in our list. In this example, imagine you have a list of fruits in column A from cells A2 down to A11. Now in column C, starting at cell C2, type in this formula, equals unique A2 A11. What this does is filter through your range and pull out each distinct fruit that shows up, no duplicates at all. So if apple pops up 4 times in your column, it will only appear once in this new list. It's like creating a clean, clutter-free roster of all the fruits you have, kind of like taking attendance and ensuring each fruit gets only one mention. Hit enter and you'll see a neat list: apple, banana, mango, grape appearing down your column. This step is important because it gives us a clear, simple base to work with for counting how many times each fruit shows up. Now let's move on to figuring out how frequently each fruit appears in the original data. In column D, right next to your list of unique fruits, click on D2 and enter, equals COUNTIF A2 A11 C2. What this formula is doing is saying, hey Google Sheets, count how many times whatever's in C2, let's say apple, shows up in my original list over in column A. If you have a bunch of different fruits listed, this function acts a bit like a detective, tallying up all the apples, then all the bananas, and so on. Once you have it working for one cell, the easiest way is to drag that formula down alongside all your unique fruits so each gets their proper count. But if you'd rather save time, especially if you have a long list, you can also use this formula in D2. Array formula COUNTIF A2 A11 C2C. The ARROF formula bit essentially says, let's do this all at once for every fruit in my list. Don't worry if the numbers don't appear instantly. Sometimes Sheets takes a second to think it through, especially with lots of data. You should now see that apple shows up 4 times, banana 3, mango 2, and grape 1. Finally, let's organize our results so the most or least frequent fruits are easy to spot at a glance. In columns E and F, let's do something cool, sorting by frequency. In E2, enter this formula, equals sort C2 D5 D2 D5 false. Here, what's happening? The sort function looks at our list of fruits and their associated counts, and then neatly arranges them by their frequency. The false at the end tells Sheets to sort these from highest count to lowest, so you immediately see which fruit is topping the charts. It's like rearranging your closet so your favorite shirts are front and center. If you're working with a larger list, just adjust those cell references so everything's included. And that's the whole process. Now you've got a tidy, sorted frequency table, perfect for analyzing survey results, organizing inventory, or just seeing what snacks are most popular in your kitchen. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to ask any questions down in the comments if something was unclear. Make sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.